Today, guys, I'm gonna be drinking all the squirt without burping with all my cousins. Okay, so we're gonna speed it up because, yeah. Okay, hold up. You're rushing me. No. Like a little bit left. A little bit left. There's a little bit left, so I'm gonna not speed it up.
Come on. Chug. I'll be right back.
There's a little bit left. I swear.
I'll be right back, guys. I'm bringing 2 sodas.
Okay, I finished it all. Oh my god, I finished it all. Oh. Well, it looks like a burp. I failed the challenge. Okay, bye guys. This is this second part.
Guys, it's my turn. Grayson burp a lot. Ooh.
No.
Ooh.
Okay, bye guys. And let's see if you actually finished the challenge. Well, I did it.